Welcome back to the channel. You are with Crypto Tim, checking out the Eos Crash game, and this is my entry into the Eos Crash video challenge. So why this isn't directly sponsored, I'm hoping to get some free Crash token and my chance at 100 EOS if my video is the most popular. So basically how this challenge works is you can get some free Crash tokens and also go into the running to get 100 EOS if you get as many likes and views on your video as possible. So basically how it works is if you have one view, that's 4 Crash, and 1 like, that's 8 Crash. So instead of playing the game and gambling, you can get Crash tokens just by making a video. So link to that down below, so check that out and make a video and compete with me. So that's how you get free Crash tokens. So let's have a little look at the game. It's kind of a little bit similar to a dice game in terms of like your probability goes up as your multiplier goes up, so you set your probability of winning. But this one's a multiplayer game, so you can see what other people have betted down here. And just connect with scatter, set your multiplier. I have one. I put 1.99, which means I doubled my EOS that I put in as having some small bets for the video. And it's pretty simple. They've got a dice game as well, just here. So usual stuff. Set your probability, roll away, and then see if you come out on top. See how I go. 42, I'm getting good. I'm having a good run for this video by the looks of it. And also they have another one, Eos Crash Aurora. I didn't have a look at that before. We can have a quick little look now. So however that works, but yeah, this is Eos Crash Aurora. Might not be going right now, but anyway. So yeah, this is the Crash game. So check it out. Enter into the video competition, win yourself some free Crash tokens. It's that simple. And if your video is the most popular, and then you could win 100 EOS. So have a chat to the team. Links down below to their Telegram and everything for any further details. But as per usual, I'm Crypto Tim, and I'll see you on the other side.